Hello everybody, we're going to talk about categorical data now and how to organize our data into a table, a two-way table. I'm going to use dice to be my categories, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are my 6 categories, but you could think of them as colors or favorite subject in school or whatever. So what I'm going to do is roll these dice, and then I'm going to count out how many do I have in category 1, how many do I have in category 2 of each different type of dice. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a roll. Whoa. Get all these things together. Okay. Alright. So let's group the ones together. And I'll speed up the video so you don't have to watch me do all this. Okay, looks like we got our different variables here. So ones, I have 2 gray, and that's interesting, I don't have any white. So that might mess things up. So 2 gray and 2 blue and 0 white. Alright. And you can see that this bar chart is going to change based on how much I have. So since I had 0 white, the purple completely went away. Alright, next. 2, so I have 4, 4, and 3. So, what was it? The 3 was blue. So, 4, 4, and 3. Okay, and then 3s. 4, 3, 3, so the gray was a 4. Fours. 3, 2, 1, so blue, gray, white. Blue, gray, white. And then 5s. 1, 2, 4, gray, white, blue, gray, white, blue. And 6. 1, 3, 4, blue, white, gray, blue, white, gray. Blue, white, gray. And that was 1, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. So now that I have my data entered, what I do is I total each row. So there was a total of 4 dice that got 1s. Is that right? 4 dice with 1s. That's right. Total of 11 dice with 2s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. So it goes down and I total each one. So it looks like we got the most of 2s. And this total is this way too as well. So how many dice do I have that are white? There are 15 dice that are white, 17 dice are gray, and 14 dice are blue. And then what I do here is find out what is the average of each. So let's see here. This says the sum from B2 to B7 divided by B8. Alright. Yeah, so what I do here is the percentage of the 6s was 0.2 or 20%, 24% for gray, and 7% for blue. And then the next level up, 5, So this is just to be able to mark these on the chart so that the total goes up to a total of 1, which is 100%. So right here I have 13% are 5s, 20% are 4s, 20% are 3s, and 27% are 2s, and 0% are 1s. And you can see from this chart that there was the same percentage of 3s, 4s, and 6s. They were all 20%, right? So 3 out of 15, which is the same as 1 out of 5, are all 20%. So that's how I set up this chart. And again, the 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s, and 6s, they could have been anything. It could be red, orange, you know, how many different colored M&Ms do you have of these different categories? So this is just one example of how you would do that. You are going to, on your project, poll different students and find out how many 9th graders, so like 9th graders would be like one of these color categories of dice. How many 9th graders pick math as their favorite subject, or English as their favorite subject, or social studies, or science? So that's how you would set up a chart, just like this.